Morning children. This lesson is for class 7 for the subject of mathematics, topic fractions. This lesson is submitted to you on 19th of April 2021. Children, in the previous lesson we discussed about the fractions. That is, how can we add or how can we subtract the fractions. But today we are going to discuss some word problems based on the topic fractions. So let us start our topic. The first question is, Meena ate 6/7 part of an apple and her sister Ritu ate the remaining part of it. So we have to tell who ate more part and by how much. So now it is given Meena ate 6/7 part and Ritu ate remaining part. And whenever you have to find the remaining in case of fractions, you always subtract in it from 1. Because on the whole, let us take an example. Suppose you have a rectangle and you have divided it into how many parts? 4 parts. So each part having fraction 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So now if you add all the parts, that is 4 times, what you get? You get 4/4, that is equals to 1. So it means on the whole the sum of the fractions will be only 1. So that's why we took here 1. So now 1 minus the part that Meena ate will give us the part that Ritu ate. So what we get? We get 1/7. Clear? Now we have to tell who ate more. So now Meena ate 6/7 part. Ritu ate 1/7 part. So it is very clear that 6/7 is more than 1/7. So it means Meena ate more. Clear? The next question is, a piece of wire 3/4 meter long and that is cut into 3 pieces. The first piece was 3/20 meter long and the length of second piece was 5/3 of the first piece. And we have to find the length of third piece. So it is very easy. We have a piece of wire that is 3/4 meter long. That is cut into 3 pieces. The first piece length that is given to us, and it is given that the length of second piece is 5/3 of the first piece, that is 3/20. So it means the length of second piece will be, cancel, that is 1/4 meter. So now we have the length of first piece, the length of second piece, and we have to find the length of third piece. So what we will do? We will subtract the length of the sum of length of first and second from the total length of piece of wire, and we will get the length of third piece, that is 20 3 plus 5. So now we got 3 by 4 minus 8 by 20. So now make it 20 in the denominator. We get 3 upon 4 into 5 into 5 minus 8 upon 20. So what we get? We get 15 upon 20 minus 8 upon 20. Clear? What we have done? We have just made the denominator 20. So now we got 7 by 20 meter, which is the length of the third piece. Rajesh had a packet of 20 sketch pens. He gave 12 to Krishna and 6 to Meena. So 20 sketch pens are there, and out of 20 sketch pens, 12 he has given to Krishna and 6 he has given to Meena. And we have to find the fractions for that. So the pens that Krishna got 12 upon 20, that is total. And now pens that Meena got 6 upon 20, that is total. So these are the fractions that Krishna and Meena got. Now we have to tell how much fraction of the packet is left with Rajesh. Again, in the whole, the sum of all fraction is always 1. So 1 minus pens fraction he has given to Krishna plus given to Meena. So what we get? 18 upon 20, and on taking LCM we got 20 minus 18, that is 2 upon 20. So what we get? We get 1 upon 10. So this is the fraction left with Rajesh after giving pens to Krishna and Meena. Clear? Now the next question is, a rectangular field is 15 3 by 4 meter long and 12.5 meter wide. We have to find its perimeter. Now we know the formula for the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So just you have to put the values, add them. Now 2 in the denominator, 4 in the denominator. Make it also 4 by multiplying it with 2. So what we get? We get 50 upon 4. So now on simplification, we got 56.5 meter. So children, we have covered the word problems of chapter fractions. I hope chapter fractions is clear to you now. Now you all of you will do the practice of this chapter at your home. Thank you, children.